Hey, let me show you camera tips and tricks for the POCO M6 Pro. So first of all, we are going to start from the standard photo mode. And right here, let me first show you how quickly you can zoom in and zoom out. So normally you are pinching screen with your two fingers like this, but you can simply click and hold on one of the selected preset, and you can move this scale to the left or to the right side to zoom in or zoom out. And if you wonder about the highest zoom, that's actually 10x. And the screen is not shaking because in this phone we can actually find the optic image stabilization. There's also a second way to zoom in or zoom out by using the volume buttons. You can click on the volume up or volume down, but as default it's set to the shutter, to take photo with a 2 seconds shutter delay. When you click on this arrow, you can tap on the settings, scroll down, and you can click on the volume buttons function and use them as a zoom. So now when you click and hold this button, you can smoothly zoom in or smoothly zoom out. And also we can switch between the lenses. As you can see, I can go from the wide lens to the ultra wide lens and, for example, telephoto lens. You can also click on the screen, and when you have the sun icon, you can move it up and down to decrease or increase the brightness level. When you click on it once, you will actually adjust the brightness automatically. When you click on this icon, you can change some filters, so it is actually adjusting the temperature of the photo preview. You can even go for the black and white, and if you want to get back the original look, you will have to go for the normal. Next, we are going for more advanced settings. You will have to click on this arrow, and first I can recommend you to use the voice shutter. Now when you say the keyword, that's the cheese, the photo will be taken. So we can take the photos without even touching the screen. And you can also find the timed burst. So when you click on this, you can pick the number of the photos that you want to take. For example, let's say that you want to take 20 photos, and the photos will be taken for 1 second interval. So now when you click on the shutter, take a look, there is a 1 second delay, and your smartphone is capturing up to 20 photos. You can also stop it by clicking on this button. Now I'm gonna turn it off, and when we go into the settings by clicking on this icon, we can find other useful options. For example, we can enable tap to take the photo and additional shutter. So now if you want to take the photo, we can just click on the screen and your smartphone is going to automatically adjust the brightness, exposure, and focus and take the photo. Also, you can swipe up from this shutter and get additional shutter. So you can get it, for example, right here or right here. If you want to hide it, just drag it back into the main shutter. When you go back into the settings, we can find other options. From here, we can, for example, shot with the screen off. So it's useful when you are taking, for example, the time-lapse videos or using the burst or the long exposure mode. So after 3 minutes, your screen will be turned off and you'll save some battery. Next, we can go back from this one, and when you go for the more modes, we can actually find the 64 megapixel mode that will allows us to take more, we'll get more details on the photos. So when you catch the focus and take a look for the preview, you will get the HD preview, and now we can find actually a lot of details from this photo. Next, when we go back, we can also find other options in this more modes, but we have to download them. So for example, that's the long exposure mode and the panorama mode. If you want to download the long exposure, all you have to do is just to click on it, and when it will be downloaded, you can actually find it and click on it so you can actually use it. And you can find some presets. If you don't know actually how to use it, you can click on this information icon in the left upper corner, and from here you can find it. So here is the description of every preset that you can find right here. And also we can find the short film. So we can find the automatic presets that will, there's like automatic presets, automatic transitions, and also the sound that will be automatically set up for our video. And also in this smartphone you can find Pro Mode, where you can adjust almost every parameter of your photos automatically. Like we can find white balance, focus, automatic shutter or manual shutter, ISO level, exposure, and when you click right here we can find the exposure verification, focus peaking, and for example the 64 megapixel mode. And that's all the best camera tips and tricks for the POCO M6 Pro. Right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.